Yun yung naka-install sa office nila, sir. This is the cable. Feel free to touch. Hindi kayo makakuryente, don't worry. And kasama field. May mga iba-ibang klase ng cable kayo ma-encounter. So, it's good to know how many pins do we have there. Yeah.
5.
Yes, and alam ko by brands or some models, iba-iba din sila ng ginagamit ng cable. But
Tesla,
BMW,
3, 4.
BMW, this is the type of...
Iba yun sa Tesla. Pero almost the same inches, pero mas maliit.
Yeah.
Now, be mindful, I'm showing you the charger kasi each charger has their own specification. And also, same with BMW. Meron siyang
Yung
requirement.
forma sa charging
Now,
system
here,
guys
we have here the charging
ng
plug.
BMW i7 series. Napaka high-tech na
Just like
guys.
fueling an ordinary
All-in, electronic, pati pagbubukas ng pinto, sabit mo,
This is the AC.
yes, pinto,
For this particular
pwede
charger,
mo through,
I'm not sure sa mga
Mas
facilities
button
sa
na
tahan ninyo kung may fast charger.
automatically
Fast
pagbubukas
charger
yan.
uses
Whatever the kaya niyang habulin, usually ang charging time na
Pag fast charger, kaya na i-charge yung vehicle ng 30 minutes maximum. Ganun mabilis. Pero it's not a good practice. Mas maganda po pa rin na i-charge nyo sa office. We have the AC charger. Matagal, pero maganda po rin.
Pag global
high-tech na
center, mga ilang
din.
oras ka bagong full sir?
First question, Sir Tayo.
About the out of town, kung malulubad kami, meron ba kami makikitang ganito sa...
Yun sir, the facility is still loading yung mga pwede natin pag-chargean. Pero I think nagsisimula na silang mag-put up just in case kailangan. But in my experience, may makikita na kayo sa bandang south. Shell, they have the DC charger. Pero ako, sir, ito lang, bibigyan ko senaryo. Huwag kayo mag-charge doon kasi 30 pesos per kilo.
Kala ko,
Oh, ay bayad pala yun.
Sa defeat mo yung purpose na mag-charge ka sa office in order to save fuel and transportation costs. So, may added cost.
Kailangan pala siya mag-install sa office ng ganyan.
Meron na.
Meron na.
Bawal na muna out of town.
Ayun, okay. Yes, use it within city muna. This is a discretion of the office kung pwede na siyang gamitin out of town. Pero to tell you, pwede kayo mag-charge out of town. I'm sharing you this information so that in case na sir, tumawag ka kay Sir Lawrence. Kulang na po ng charge.